Hello, beautiful people. This is me. I'm your host, and today I'm gonna share with you the Start Product Award. What is it? It's an award which I'm giving to the product which I bought, use it, finish it up, was in my empties, and also I don't mind running to the store, buying again, or recommending to you at any time. So technically those are my dummy proof products which are worth buying. Hello, this is second part of my Start Product Award category. In this video I'm gonna talk about body products. However, one thing which I forgot to mention in part 1, which was about hair care, I used those items for the last 2 years, which is 2019 and 2020. How do I know I use them? Because besides appealing in my monthly empties, I also wrote them down. And why? Because during those 2 years, that's a long period. So in that case, I can try enough products and I can easily narrow down what I mean by it. Let's say instead of me recommending 30 products, I can, let's say, stick to maybe 10, and I know they are really good. So if you ask me about something for dry skin or for problematic skin, guess what? This and that item are good. However, without further ado, let's just start the video. First category is body exfoliation, and I have 2 products. First is the body polish from Dove. What is it? It's a cream which has a tiny particles, and because it's so gentle, even sensitive skin can use it. It comes in many different scents, so you can choose the one which you like the most, and also it's affordable. One thing which is kind of obvious, there is no point of you spending money on something which is gonna go down the drain. Let's say like the exfoliator, once you're gonna apply it, it goes down the drain. With the body wash, it's the same. Where you want to invest, it's body lotions, cream, and all the other stuff, because they're gonna stay on you for the next few hours. But anyway, the body polish from Dove, it's wonderful. But if you prefer bigger particles or something more rough, the one from Tree Hut are great. I do enjoy their mango scent, or I should say their shea butter formula. And if memory serves me right, that one has a sugar, but it is a wonderful scrub which comes in a big tube, and it's really affordable. This and the Tree Hut, their cost less than $10, comes in a big tubes, and they're gonna last you for a long time. And also I use both of them many times, and for sure I'm gonna repurchase again. Next category are body washes. In here I have one from Dove. That's their Deep Moisture Nourishing Body Wash. It has a consistency of a thicker milk. It gives you a light bubbles, but it doesn't dry your skin. And as you see, it was a big bottle. It's 1 liter or 34 ounce. So guess what? I have enough product and time to use it up. I did like it. I have no issue. And my skin like it as well. And I don't mind rebuying again. Second one, it's from NEUTROGENA. It's their Rainbath collection. It's a collection of few body washes which you can also use as a bath gel. Not bath gel, bubble bath. There are a few different scents, so you can choose the one which you want. You don't need a lot because the gel is really potent and smells nice, foam nicely. Similarly as the Dove, it doesn't dry your skin and it's pleasant to use. And because of such a big variety, you can choose the scent which you like. I'm gonna move over to the body butters, and I have 4 which I can recommend right away. First one is the VASELINE Cocoa Butter. VASELINE Intensive Care Cocoa Radiant with pure cocoa butter, smoothing body butter with micro droplets of VASELINE jelly. I went through few tubes of it, and I have another one in my bathroom. This is a brand new one. It's a proper body butter, which yes, you have to smooth on you, I should say work it out into your skin. And that's the consistency. It's not heavy, but just show you. It smooths, or I should say, it absorbs really, really fast. So yes, it is a pleasant thing to use. It has a light scent of cocoa, but I did like it. If you think this is too heavy for you, in reality it's not really heavy, but if you don't like heavy products, they also have the same thing in a lotion and a spray form. But yes, I do like it, and it does what it says. If you want something more fun and different scented, Soap and Glory, their, okay, I'm gonna butcher up the name, but their butter in a pink container, it's one of their best sellers. Like this one, it was more, let's say, light butter. This is a little bit heavier. It still provides nice hydration, and it has a sweet scent, but it's not overpowering that you're gonna get a headache. But yeah, it does smell nicely. Small backtrack, I do enjoy the cocoa butter from VASELINE. This is, I believe, my second or third one, and I already have a backup. Now with the Soap and Glory, I do like the product, but because of the scent, and I'm fine with the scent, but I'm not a sweet person. So once sweet, I don't like too sweet fragrances. So let's say once I use it, usually I'm taking a break before I'm gonna come back. But I already went through many of those, especially the smaller travel sizes, and as a product I do enjoy it. Another product which possible is not going to be any surprise for you, it's the goat milk body butter from ZIAJA. This one has vitamin E, omega 3, 6 and 9. No, 3, 6 and vitamin E. It has that nice fresh laundry scent. Also it has glycerin. Goat milk is good for any skin type, especially for the problematic one where you don't know what else to use. That's where you want to go for goat milk. Even after procedure, skin can use it. So this is my empty, this is my brand new one, and the consistency is going to be similar to the one from VASELINE. Come on, open up. Here we go. So you can see it's a beautiful cream. Honestly, you could even call this a lotion. Okay, so here we go. Yeah, it has that nice fresh scent. I went through many jars of it. As you see, I already have my backup because I do enjoy it so much. And now because it's winter, our skin is more drier, and you can even get eczema. That's why I do enjoy this product during the, let's say, fall and winter when our skin changes. But yes, I do like it. However, if you want something better than the items which I just showed you, and you want a proper thick body butter, I'm gonna go with the Vichy Ideal Body. Yeah, Vichy Ideal Body Balm. This has a consistency of a butter. If I can compare this to something, if you're gonna take out butter from your fridge, leave it outside for a couple minutes so then you can use it on the bread, that's the way how this one works. When you use it, it's really thick, but once you start applying on your body, that's when it melts. Yes, you have to work it to make it work, but guess what? This is one of those items which will change your skin. And if I have to choose only one body butter from the one which I show you, that's gonna be the one. Next category are the hydrating body lotions. NEUTROGENA Hydra Boost has few items. Besides this, you can buy their body gel, which comes, let's say, in a similar container, which yes, I use, but I prefer this one, especially once you apply on a wet skin. I already went through like 2 bottles of it. This is my new one. What is it? Come on. This is the actual gel, let's say lotion. You can use this on a dry skin, but I prefer use this on a wet skin. Why? Because you're gonna receive more hydration, and the results gonna be better as well. And this one comes into varieties, so we have there's one without fragrance and one with it. It's up to you which one you're gonna go for. Honestly, I don't really see too much difference because the product is good either way, and it's perfect for summer, especially if you live in a humid climate and you want to hydrate your skin but you don't want to sweat right away when you go outside. This is perfect. So let's say similar as with this one, it provides hydration during showering. This provides hydration afterwards. If you watch my videos, I'm sure you're familiar with this product. That's the ZIAJA Avocado Oil Body Lotion. Even though it says lotion, it has a consistency of let's say a milk, or a milk with avocado oil. So after you apply it, yes, your skin's gonna be hydrated, but because of the avocado oil, you have that nice sheen. And because it comes in a big bottle, it's gonna last you for a while. Oh yeah, let me just tell you how much you're getting in this one. It's 16 ounce, which is 450. This is 14, which is 400. And then one more product, which I do enjoy it, but it's not available in the States. However, you can easily buy it in Europe. What is it? It's the Garnier BodyLine. This particular one comes in a red bottle. It has maple syrup, which is very hydrating, regenerating for your skin. And this one, or I should say the one in a red package, it's for very, very dry skin. And once you use it once, you're gonna see and feel the difference. Unfortunately, I cannot buy this one in the States, but you can easily buy it in Europe. When I'm traveling, and it doesn't matter which country I'm stepping by, if I see the red package, guess what? I'm gonna pick up at least 3, maybe 4 bottles, because that product works really well. So this is my empty. That's a not bright new, but that's the unopened package. So yes, you have a nice milky lotion which glides and it provides hydration right away. It's one of those dummy proof items which will hydrate your skin. And yes, it doesn't really smell. It has like a faint scent, but it's nothing too strong. Next category are products for, let's call it, problematic skin. What I mean by it, if you have eczema, psoriasis, dry patches, or you don't know what else to use on your skin and you use a lot, guess what? Those are the items which you want to look forward to, or let's say give them a try. So the first one is from Curel. Curel, it's a Japanese brand which has product for dry skin. So they have facial products and also body products as well. This one is dry skin therapy, age defense, soothes and calms skin. What it does: delivers long-lasting, non-greasy moisture with ceramide complex, vitamin E and oat milk extract. It has many good ingredients and even have lactic acid, which is found in milk. But the lactic acid has a specific scent, and this one has, I believe it's orange peel extract, which is gonna mask that scent. But if you don't know what else to use, but you want good stuff in your body care, this one, it's worth looking into it. I think this is my second or third bottle and I do like it so much. So this is my empty. This is an unopened one, so at least I can show you the texture of it. So yes, it's a lotion which is kind of, yeah, it's a light in texture, glides smoothly, and you will have no issues with applying. And yeah, you have that nice scent. Intense hydration to provide soothes dry, itchy skin. Delight in soothed, calm skin. Anyway, I know it works, and some of the ingredients are wonderful as well. Now, sticking with ceramide, or I should say within the same family, it's the Bodycare from La Roche-Posay. This particular one, it's for normal to dry skin. There is another one, which I have it up here, that's their Balm. So this one, it's a It has a form of a lotion. This is the actual balm, so it's way thicker. But going back to this product, what this product has inside: thermal water, shea butter, niacinamide. And thermal water, it's found in many French products because it's a water which is enriched with minerals, and those minerals are wonderful for our skin. But if you like the CeraVe lotion, this one, you're gonna like it as well. Anyone can use it. It's fragrance free. It's for adults and babies. That's the heavier version. Extra dry skin for body and face. Lipid replenishing. Reduce dry, rough skin. And this is empty, so I cannot show it to you. But this, come on, open up. I think I just close it. Here we go. It is heavier. Come on, work. Yes. All right. Here we go. Yeah. So as you see for yourself, it is heavier. Yes, it is heavier, but you can still massage it and work it out. You have that. No, it doesn't smell. You have that nice after shin glow. Either way, my arm, it's so nice and hydrated. Last item, it's from Nature by Canus. That's their goat milk body lotion. So similarly as with this one. Canus, it's a Canadian brand. Within the range, they have many different products. So they have body washes, shower gels. I'm sure there's something else. This particular one, it's with shea butter, and it's nice. However, I prefer the one in an original scent. What it has besides goat milk: aloe vera, glycerin, soybean oil, and depending which ingredients is in it, this particular one has a shea butter and comes obviously with a pump. It has a texture of it's a runny texture, but I think it's too much. But it's easy to apply, and your skin is gonna be hydrated. It does smells nice. Lotion, thumbs up. Alright, those were all the outstanding products in my body category. For the next, it's a year or two, I'm gonna try something else. But I'm not gonna be surprised if some of them I'm gonna still keep using or rebuying. Anyway, hopefully this video was helpful, and I see you next time. Bye!